recipe is rice made with peas, also you can call it Bhagara chawal. Here I've got 2 cups of rice. What I did is I washed this rice with room temperature water till the cloudy water ran clear, and I've soaked this rice in this water for half an hour. Here I've got half cup of peas. These are frozen peas. I just rinsed it with water and defrosted them. Here I've got salt as per taste. I've got 2 small bay leaves, 2 cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as Zeera, 1 black cardamom. Now if you don't have black cardamom, you can use 2 green cardamoms. Here I've got a very small stick of dalchini, also known as cinnamon stick, and this is purely optional. This is chili flakes. This is 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and I've got 4 whole round red chilies. I will be using butter and a little oil for this recipe. So let's start making our rice. To a warm pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add butter. Once the butter has melted, add cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick and whole red chili. Give it a good stir. Add peas as well. Saute this for 2 minutes. Now add half a tablespoon of ginger paste if you want. You can add it. If you want, you can skip it. This is a complete option, the ginger paste. Now add the washed rice and keep your flame on low to medium. Saute the rice for at least a minute or 2. To know the measurement of water for rice, I have explained it in my egg fried rice recipe. I will leave the link to that recipe in the description box below. So here I have used 2 cups of rice. So I will be using 3.5 cups of water. Also you can use rice, you can use water as mentioned on the packaging of your rice as well. So here I'm adding 3.5 cups of water. Give it a good stir. First I will cook this rice for the first 7 minutes uncovered, and then I will cover it and cook it till it's done, 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm adding chili flakes. This is a complete option. Now I'm adding salt as per taste. Give it a good stir. I will wait for this water to start boiling. It will take me around 5 to 7 minutes. Once the water starts boiling, at that point I will cover my pot. It's been exactly 7 minutes since this rice has been cooking. Now what I'll do is I'll just give it a quick stir, and now I'll cover this pot and I'll let it cook for a further 15 to 20 minutes or till the rice is done. Let's see. You can see the rice is cooked. It's been exactly 18 minutes since this rice has been cooking. I'll just show you how nicely this rice is cooked. If I just press it, you can see it's mashed here, so it's cooked. See, this is the pea. If I just press it, it's cooked as well. Rice with peas is ready to serve. This Bagara rice can be served with gravies, kormas, or you can even enjoy it as it is. For recipe ideas, please click on the links mentioned in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos, and thank you for watching. Enjoy!